In GCSE Biology, one of the most important topics is cell structure. Cells are the basic units of life, and each part of a cell has a specific function. To answer exam questions confidently, you need to understand what each organelle does and how they work together. An animal cell contains several key structures, including cytoplasm, where many chemical reactions happen. Cell membrane controls what enters and leaves the cell. Mitochondria, where aerobic respiration happens and energy is released. Nucleus, which contains the cell's genetic material, or DNA. The DNA contains the instructions that control how the cell works. At higher tier, it's important to know that the nucleus does more than just store DNA. The DNA is organized into chromosomes, and these contain genes. Genes are sections of DNA that contain instructions to make proteins, which help control the structure and function of the cell. So when a question asks where the genetic material is found, you should think of the nucleus. Now let's look at the exam question. Which part of the cell contains the genetic material DNA in an animal cell? A. Cytoplasm. B. Nucleus. C. Cell membrane. D. Mitochondria. Let's go through each option. A. Cytoplasm. This is where many reactions happen, but it does not contain the DNA. B. Nucleus, yes. This is where the cell's genetic material is stored. C. Cell membrane. This controls movement of substances into and out of the cell. D. Mitochondria. These are involved in respiration, not in storing the cell's main genetic material for GCSE answers. So the correct answer is B. Nucleus. Because the nucleus contains the genetic material, DNA, which controls the activities of the cell. Exam tip: if the question asks about DNA, genes, chromosomes, or the control center of the cell, the answer is usually the nucleus. Want more help like this? We provide one-to-one style AI tutoring with step-by-step explanations and personalized support. Correct answer: B. Nucleus. Topic: cell biology, cell structure. Follow for more GCSE biology tips.